Hello and welcome to the Pound Trader. I will be making an analysis of the Pound USD for Monday, 12th of February 2024. Welcome to the channel. Okay, so starting with the weekly time frame, we can see here that last week we closed off with almost a dragonfly doji. I don't remember if this is what it's called, but yeah. And I think when we go down to the lower time frames, we will see that this was like a retest of the range. So yeah, no volume here. Most likely, I do believe that there might be a wick fill this week. So we'll just wait and see. So scaling down to the daily time frame, here we can see it much more clearly. Yes, so we broke out of the range over here, almost coming for a slight retest. You might be wondering why I have this like trend line that hasn't yet been formed properly yet here, but this is because I think that it's still too early for the price to start moving down, because the trend line angle would be a bit too steep for me. This is just me though, this is just my opinion. So I do think like this angle here is just a bit too steep for us to continue down. So probably maybe there might be a bit more movement towards this side, and then now maybe continue going down. And maybe even a retest to this trend line over here, who knows. And I also get this trend, I've gotten this trend line angle from this price over here. Not always, but this is just my opinion. So we can see here that this angle is a bit more of like a 45-degree angle. And even if we scroll back to like previous downtrends, so let me just move this trend line back, like where, let's say like here. Yeah, we can see here that we have this angle is like more appropriate for me, yeah? And even if we still go back over here, so sorry, let me just move it. You can see that this is like most probably like the most possible angle. So yeah, like having a steep trend line like this, just, I don't know, for me, I don't feel comfortable. So I feel like we might have, you know, more room to the downside. So moving over to the 4-hour time frame, yeah, so you can see I just put this trend line angle here. Just let me know that, you know, maybe price might come up to this range. Or if not, maybe price can continue just dangling towards this support line that we had over here before now going down. However, this is a good level still, because it is at the 50% fib level, almost. Yeah, almost. Yeah, this is a 50% level. So yeah, I think there's a good possibility that we might get some room to the downside. But if not, then probably I'll be waiting for a retest around this level here, which is also the 61.8% fib level before taking it down. But yeah, I'm hoping that we can get more volume, because last week the volume wasn't a lot. So I didn't really have many trading opportunities there. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe I can get a range like that, and then maybe go down, or just have it come back to here and then take it down. Also, guys, this is just for me. This is just for me to feel comfortable, because I still don't feel comfortable taking shorts from here. Yeah, so maybe some movement around this area to probably fill up this space that we have here might be, you know, a bit more convincing for me. Okay, so going down to the 1-hour time frame, we can see here last week this was Friday's high, which I've marked with a different color. You can see that we were still ranging above this level. We didn't really have like a breakout or whatever. So what I would be looking for from the 1-hour time frame, because I try to look for at least one trade a day. Also, this is normally the range of the previous week, but because we're moving over to the next one, I'll shift this range. So maybe from next week, I would like to see maybe a break to this point, maybe, and then go down. Or, however, if that does not happen, then I'd probably want to see like, I don't know, maybe a double top, a triple top or something, you know, and then maybe take it down. Just some more movement towards this side, yeah? If it's going to be this level or this level, it's still okay for me. Yeah, and I'd probably be waiting for candles from the 4-hour time frame as well. Yeah, I think this is a bit straightforward. Yeah, just break out from the range and try to look for those confirmation sells. So let's just go over and look at the dollar index. Okay, and we can see here the dollar index was in a range, so maybe let me move it to the daily time frame. So yeah, the dollar index, according to me, we are still pushing up. Yeah, we can see here that now the candles in the weekly time frame, this is a bullish candle which we closed in January. Yeah, and yeah, I still think that, you know, we have a lot of movement to maybe come back to this area over here, and then maybe the dollar might go down. That is like my bigger time frame forecast. So yeah, we can see here that we broke above this range, came and went down a bit for a retest, going over to the 4-hour. Yeah, you can see we still have some range over here. I still think that there is a potential for the price to come back and retest this range over here, and then maybe push up. Yeah, and probably if it does that, probably if it does that, it might be good because it might even land on this trend line over here. So yeah, some level like that would be good. And that's why I also still think that on the pound USD, we still have some space. That's just according to me, my analysis. Of course, I might be wrong. I'd also like to hear from you, maybe what you think. And we can see here, this other range that we had, let me just mark it with a range. We can see here that price somewhat came back for like a dip, a small wick here, and then it pushed up. So yeah, I still think that, you know, there's a potential for this area to come, touch this range over here, and then continue pushing up. My analysis, of course, I might be wrong. Monday might be a bit slow, but we'll just wait and see. So let's just look at the Forex Factory. Ooh, lots of news. I am in Kenya. This is East African time. I have filtered my news to only give me pound, USD, or euro news because I use those for correlation. Monday, 9 p.m., we have some pound news. Tuesday, this is 10 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. East African time. Wednesday, lots of pound news, dollar news. So we almost have news every single day next week. So yeah, I'll be careful about that. Though I'm an intraday trader and I do make entries from the 1-hour time frame, I mean, it's still like good to watch out for any events that might be happening just to make sure that my stop loss is okay and things like that. So yeah, that's my bias for the pound USD. So probably just waiting for some more action like that, or if not, maybe just get some movement up here and then take it down. I am on the sells, long-term sells. I still think the pound will drop as long as the dollar keeps on going up. So that's my analysis. I hope you found it insightful. Please subscribe, road to 200 subscribers, and that will be through your help. Thank you, and see you on the next video, probably on Wednesday or Tuesday, something like that. Stay on the lookout. I will be consistent. Bye-bye.